So let's move to canceling subscription, and to cancel subscription, let's go back to our controller. So here we will add another function that will cancel subscription, and you can follow the link in the description. So there is the source code. You can copy the function from the same controller, which is subscription, and paste it inside your controller. So here is our function, which is cancel. So we have the request. So first we get the user, which is the currently logged in user. Next, we need to get subscription from the database, not from Stripe. So from our database, so we need to get the subscription. So let's go to customers again. So here is our customer, as you can see, that has subscribed to the plan, and here is subscriptions, and he is subscribed to the full QR code, and it is active. So this is the status that I told you when we created the database. So the Stripe status. So using it, we can know if inside our database, if the status is active or cancelled. Okay. So here is the billing monthly, and we have here $18, which is the price of subscription. So now let's go back to our function. So as I told you, we get the subscription using the currently logged in user ID and subscription ID. And subscription ID, we are sending it from the form, as we have seen here. So we made a hidden input field with Stripe subscription ID as value and name. Okay. So we get it here, and once we have the subscription, so we check if the subscription exists. So if we have the subscription, so we need to get it from now. Now we are getting it or retrieving subscription from Stripe, not from our database. So we retrieve it using Stripe subscription ID. And once we have it, so we cancel subscription. And here, this is optional, so you can delete it from your database, or you can keep it and set the status to cancelled. Okay, so in our case, it's so I think if the subscription is cancelled, so no need to keep it inside our database. So that's why I have deleted subscription from our database. Next, we need to check if the user has other subscriptions. If not, so we set the user Stripe ID to null and we save it, which means if he doesn't have any subscriptions, that means that he is not anymore our customer. So we set its Stripe ID to null and we save him. And finally, we return the user. So here we return the user to the index page of our QR codes with the success message telling him that subscription cancelled successfully. If we don't have the subscription or this subscription doesn't exist, so we send an error telling him no active subscription found. Okay. So this is our cancel function. So now what we need to do, we need to do the same thing as we have done here. So we need to add the route, and the route here we can make it also post, because we are sending, so not here but here we are sending Stripe subscription ID, so we need to make it post. But let's change it from subscribe to, let's add subscribe, let's make it again subscribe / cancel, and function name, I think it's cancel, same name, cancel. Yes, so we can change it here to cancel, and here subscription dot cancel. Okay, So let's try and see if it will work or not. So let's go to our profile here. So here we need to change route to the one that we have defined here. So let's copy from here and paste here. So save, let's refresh the page. So let's click on cancel. And as you can see, subscription cancelled successfully. If we go back to our profile, so there is no subscriptions. If we refresh here, so you'll find that this subscription has been cancelled. Okay. So as you can see here, so the subscription has been cancelled. So no future invoices. Okay. So now we are done with subscription and canceling subscriptions. So what is left? So we need to add the home page. So here when we log out, so we need to add the home page to our so here we need to add content of our home page, and also when we move to the between the links here, so we need, as you can see, to set this one the register, which is active, not the home, and also when we move to the login, so we need to set the login as active, not home. Okay, so let's do that now.